How to give points to students on ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your teacher account. Once you are logged in, select the class where you want to give points to your student. You will be taken to your classroom dashboard where you can see all the students listed with your avatars. To give points, simply tap on the student's name or avatar. You will see a list of different behaviors or skills that you can award points for, such as helping others, participating, on tasks, teamwork, and more. Tap on the positive behavior you want to reward and ClassDojo will automatically add points to that student's profile. You will see the total points increase instantly along with the sound or animation confirming that the points were added successfully. You can also customize point values or behaviors by tapping the Edit Skills option. This allows you to add new behavior, rename existing ones, or change how many points each action is worth. Now you know how to give points to students on ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.